In this video, I'm going to discuss a common mistake I see with the kettlebell swing. What I see people do more often than not is squatting down and using the force of their squat to swing the kettlebell into the air. While this is not a bad movement or one that will open you up to more risk of injury, it's not how the kettlebell swing is meant to be performed. The kettlebell swing is a hip-dominant exercise, which means that the majority of the force should be derived from the hips. Notice here that my legs are staying straight apart from a slight bend at my knees, and I'm propelling the kettlebell into the air using the force of my hips moving forward to backward. You can see this by watching the lines on my pants. The other thing to note in this movement here is that you're going to get much more core engagement when you're doing this. As you're bending over at your hips, your core has to engage to keep your back straight. As long as your back stays straight and your core stays tight, this exercise will yield tremendous gains to your posterior chain.